jazz for us, baby. Good morning, good morning, good morning, beautiful people. Happy Saturday. Let's see what we have today. Today is the 5th day of Vlogmas. My Nespresso calendar played me. Still not a holiday variety, but this is Audacio. My moment. But yes, the coffee, I feel like Gary with the tea. The color of the day, you guys watched. What was Gary with the tea? What was he on? I don't remember. But the coffee of the day is Audacio. This is one of my favorites. Just waiting for these holiday varieties though, I'll tell you. On today's agenda, it is hair day. So you guys get to spend the day with me and we are doing hair. Maybe a few days ago when I picked up my gorgeous Crocs, it was so funny reading those comments. Pretty much half of you guys love Crocs and the other half of you guys hate them. I do not take offense if you guys say you don't like Crocs. I get it. Crocs are very polarizing. You either hate them or love them. And honestly, I never hated them, but I just never understood them until I got my feet in them. So that day I went to Publix and picked up some ingredients to do a DIY deep conditioner, hair mask, whatever you want to call it. I'll put the recipe on the screen. It's something that my new stylist gave to me to help deal with the breakage in the back of my hair, which I'm not experiencing right now. Hopefully we can keep it that way. So I'm gonna do that. But first, I need to do a little bit of work and work out. Then we can do the hair mask and you guys can follow me through my entire day of doing my hair. Also, my girl Chloe told me an amazing secret to getting my hair bumped how it should be bumped now that I have a bob. Because the first time I washed my bob, I could not figure out how to curl it just perfectly, because I feel like when your hair is at this length, it has to perfectly frame your face. Like right now it's not bumped how it should be because it's dirty and I've just been putting my silk cap on it. But she told me a little hack, so I'll show you guys what that is later. So you're gonna spend the day with me today. I may also go online and buy some new hair care products. I want to try the Design Essentials complete line because that's what my stylist used. I know also my girl Happy Stylish Mommy uses that as well. I think Roya also, all my girls on here whom I love and follow their hair care tips, I believe they use Design Essentials. So that's what's on the agenda today. A couple of you ladies were asking me about my robe. You guys, this is my favorite. Once again, shout out to my girl. Her channel is Roya Felter. I will link it down below. She put me onto this Barefoot Dreams robe. I believe it was maybe 3 years ago. Nordstrom was having a sale and hello, how are you? But she talked about this robe because like I said, Nordstrom was having an anniversary sale. This is the, let me put the camera down a little bit. This is the Barefoot Dreams robe, you guys. I have it in a size 2. I would say if you're like a size 14 to 18, get a size 2. If you're bigger than a size 18, get a size 3. And if you're smaller than a size 14, get a size 1 because this runs really big and it also stretches out. But these robes are normally like $100. It was on sale for I think $66. And I love it. For the first few years, I never put it on because I was like, ooh, I run hot. I don't want to be hot. Just don't wear a lot of clothes under it. But this is the best robe. It's so comfy and cozy. I'm just obsessed. So yes, if you guys were wondering about this robe, I will link it down below. I live in it. Chloe takes naps on it. So I think I might have to get her a little, watch out, baby. I might have to get her a blanket or something, but fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. If you are a homebody, if you love lounging and relaxing, you need it. So I'm gonna get my day started with some coffee, answer emails, and get to working out. Back on my keto-ish today. Well, really keto, not keto-ish. For lunch, I'll probably have a salad. You can make noise. Yeah, I'm back on keto. Gonna have a salad with chicken for lunch. And for dinner, I'm just gonna have my air fryer chicken cut up. I'm gonna put some onions and tomatoes in that, and then that will be my dinner. Really nice and simple. Yeah, follow along if you'd like to see how I'm gonna do my hair. Currently watching my girl, Truly Simply Kiara's Vlogmas. Right now, she's doing a Christmas decor haul. And she's making me want to go and get some like glitter Christmas tree cones. I just think that would be so cute. But tomorrow we're going to decorate. And I know I have Christmassy themed things. But she's making me want to buy Christmas decor. I'm also right now adding a ton of stuff to my cart because I'm going to be redoing some of my rooms next year. Next year when you guys see me, I'll be in a new background. So I'm just right now trying to put together the look that I want for the room that I film in currently. I want to redo everything. Part of the reason why I was so hesitant to redo it, I didn't want to succumb to like a beauty room and having it look like everyone else's room. And I also like wanted to prove that you don't have to have fancy equipment and a fancy, amazing, very YouTube friendly background to have what you want on YouTube, to put out the content you want, to find your audience and connect with your audience. You don't have to fit the typical blurred out background, candle in the back. Like, you know, I want my space to be my own, but I'm ready to redo it. I feel like we're going to be in quarantine for probably another year plus, or at least myself. So next year I'm going to redo that room that I film in. And so I'm just putting everything in my cart now. So I guess I need to look for a place to film until that is done. Like I want to get all new furniture, paint, everything like that. So that's pretty exciting. That will be coming in 2021. Ready for my workout. It's 2 o'clock. I'm a little behind schedule, but better late than never. Gonna walk for 30 minutes, do some squats, leg raises, jumping jacks. The goal is to get my heart rate elevated for 30 minutes or more every day. So I'm gonna do that now. Then we can get this hair washed. I'm just happy. Sun is out. It's warm-ish. And I'm working on this body. Don't give up on your goals, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a goal you want to achieve, even if you are not reaching every goal in that moment, don't give up. Don't give up. You will get there eventually. All that matters is that you try. If you try, you're not failing. So that's some encouragement for you guys. I know some people were saying that it's so hard to stay committed to their goals right now, and I totally get it. Small change every day. Let's get it.
You recall the most famous reindeer of all.
Charles.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw...
Finished my workout. I'm all cooled down. I went and got my disposable shower caps. And I don't know how much you need. I'm just gonna mix it up and see where it goes. You need eggs or an egg, mayonnaise, olive oil, and hair cholesterol. And I'm just gonna be mixing it all in this bowl for the time being. Okay, so let's get to mixing. I feel like I'm baking for you guys. I love baking. I know you guys see me cooking a lot on my channel, but I really, really love baking. And that was one of the questions that was in the little quiz that I did on Instagram a few weeks back. The only reason why I don't bake is because I'm trying to be healthy. Ooh, that smells kind of nice, but I love to bake. I'm not sure how much I need of everything, so let's just start with 1 heaping tablespoon. Well, this is more like a serving spoon of mayonnaise. I feel like I might need 2. I can't believe I'm about to put all this in my hair. I'm using a different type of spoon for the hair cholesterol. My friend said that my hair is going to feel like butter. Look at this glow. Oh, honey. Like, I am fully aware that I don't have perfected skin, but texture is everything. And I don't have any texture on my skin right now because I used that Mayo mask and I exfoliated. Ooh, she's been glowing. I love that for me. I use a little bit of olive oil. Not sure how much I need. And I'm gonna start with 1 egg. I feel like I'm getting ready to bake a cake. Okay, so let's mix it up. It looks really disgusting, but it looks very hydrating. I might have used too many ingredients.
Look at her wrist.
Look at that wrist. Look at that wrist.
Just kidding, we don't do that over here. So this is the consistency right now. It's very viscous and thick. This will probably be enough for 2 uses. Now, my stylist told me to apply it to dirty hair. Back up, baby. And I'm just gonna use my hands. Oh, it's so gross. I feel like a kitchen beautician. I can't believe I'm putting mayonnaise and cholesterol and egg in my hair. It smells very mayonnaise-y. One of you lovely ladies told me that mayonnaise is pretty much olive oil and eggs. So I didn't need to use mayonnaise and olive oil and eggs. So thank you for the tip. I don't know why I didn't think about that. It definitely feels nourishing. I was instructed to do this once a month, so I'm doing it the first Saturday of every month. What day is it? I'm trying to make sure I didn't miss a party that I'm supposed to be going to virtually. Clip and wash my hands. I'm going to wet this. This is pretty much like a dinner napkin, but it's an old one that we don't use. So I'm going to wet this, put it in the microwave until it's warm, and I'm going to cover my hair in it. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. Oh, it feels so good. I feel like I'm at the spa. Old school kitchen beautician spa. Love that for me. And I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes. Out from under the dryer. If my body looks red, it's because I got really, really hot. So, oh my gosh, I do look red. That's funny. Let me take this off. It is so warm under here. I'm about to go wash this out, shampoo and condition my hair as usual, and I will see you guys when I'm done. 30 minutes wasn't too bad. If you don't have a hooded dryer, my stylist recommended to let it sit on your hair for an hour, so that's another option as well. Let's wash this out of this head and see what the results are. Done washing my hair. I can't tell if there's a difference because of course it's wet. First things first, we're not freaking all the honeys, dummies, Playboy bunnies, and those wanting money. I'm using my favorite heavy moisturizer of the moment, my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, because after a shower, my face is always really dry. I always let my hair air dry. I just feel like it's healthiest for my hair. This is just what I'm doing. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 hours, and I'm gonna watch Big Mouth. Today, I am wearing Alexandria Fragrances Fructus Virginis. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's what I'm wearing today. This is inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. So good. I'm really itching to mix this with Baccarat Rouge 540, but like, where am I going? Loving this. It smells like a cherry, a juicy ripe cherry with a little bit of floral notes in it. It's beautiful, it's sweet, but it's not like so sweet to where it makes your stomach hurt. So yeah, I'm gonna go and let my hair air dry. I will see you guys in a few hours when it's time. Everybody else in the house is eating Pizza Hut right now. I can't smell it yet, but it's taking so much determination for me not to go in there and eat pizza. But I have to stay focused. I have to fight the craving. Oh my goodness. I'm really resisting eating pizza. You guys know that pizza is my favorite food, but one day a week for a cheat day. I had it yesterday. I was satisfied. For anyone out there struggling, just know that I also struggle with the same cravings and everything that everybody deals with. I want to go eat pizza with everybody so badly. I'm not gonna do it though. I don't know. It's all about sacrifices. Enjoy the pizza. Hey guys. I know you're probably sick of seeing me in this kitchen today, but I don't know where else to be. Anyway, I'm gonna stop today's vlog here just because it's not late, but it's dark outside, and I want you guys to really be able to see me do my hair when it's bright outside. So I'm gonna pick back up tomorrow with me actually doing my hair. It's probably been under 2 hours, maybe just at 2 hours, and it's still damp. So we will do hair tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I'll insert a clip at the end of Miss Grace and her BarkBox treat calendar. You guys have been loving those clips. I'm so glad. Be encouraged, stay positive. I love you guys. Somebody commented that I'm always so positive and encouraging, and it's because that's what people need more of. Like, if nobody else tells you today, you're amazing, you've got this, whatever's going on, stay encouraged, stay positive. Love you guys. I will see you tomorrow.